So I'm here today to show you how to get stability whilst walking with a Pocket 3. Now the Pocket 3 does an amazing job at stabilising all the other three axes, which is your pan, your tilt and your roll. But the only thing it doesn't do is when you're walking, you get the bobbing motion, this kind of thing. Not as aggressive as that, but I'll flip it round and you'll see. So the best way to iron out that bobbing motion is to do a thing called a ninja walk. Now it's not going to totally take away the bobbing motion, but it's going to make it a little bit better than if you were just walking normal. So what you want to imagine as you're doing the ninja walk is you've got a full glass of water in your hand and you're trying to walk without spilling any of that. That way you're going to get real stable footage. The reason I've come to Sutton Hall today to do these tests is because I've got a straight walking path here to the ninja walk, and I'm also going to be going inside, because inside there with all the architecture and straight lines, you'll be able to see that bobbing motion much more. Okay, let's get some testing. Here we go. So on this first clip, this is going to be me walking normal without using the ninja walk. So this is footage just walking normally, not taking care at all. So when you're performing the ninja walk, always hold the Pocket 3 at about a 60-degree angle and put it in tilt lock mode. Therefore, when you put it down to the 60-degree, the camera is going to be facing forward. You want to bend your legs slightly and walk heel to toe, ideally holding the camera with both hands as steady as you can without spilling any of that water out that glass. So I'm going to perform the ninja walk now for you, and I'll be clipping to the Pocket 3, and then you'll be able to see the comparison walking with the ninja walk and walking without the ninja walk. Here we go. So now I've done a couple of demonstrations outside. I'm going to take the Pocket 3 inside, so you'll really be able to see if the bobbing motion's rectified there using the ninja walk with all the straight lines of the architecture. Let's get inside. Here we go. So again, this first clip's going to be me just walking normally, and then the second clip's going to be with the ninja walk. As you can see, when you're using tilt lock, it's going to always keep that camera facing forward. Now the second clip's going to be with the ninja walk. I'll just pick a different location inside the building and do a couple more tests so you can really see. Again, the first test just walking normally, and the second test with the ninja walk. Now do keep in mind when you're using the ninja walk, you are walking a lot slower than if you were walking normally. So this is the first test, just walking normally. And now this is the second test using the ninja walk. So that's a few tests completed today here in Sutton Hall. There's a few people about and they've just seen me doing this ninja walk and they've come up to me and asked me what I'm doing, which is weird, but you get that from some people when you're doing things like this. So that's a few tests completed today using the Pocket 3 with the ninja walk and without the ninja walk. As I've said, I've done one outside and then a few inside, because when you're walking next to straight edges such as this, you're going to be able to see that bobbing motion a lot more to say if you was just in a field with no surroundings. So I hope this video is going to help you today if you want to iron out some of that bouncing footage with the Pocket 3. Although it won't eliminate the bounce completely, it'll take away most of it. Hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. So as always, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.